Hi, this is Ralphie again from Original Pizza in Broomfield, Colorado. Just in case you don't understand what I say, here we go. Original Pizza, New York style pizza, ristorante. And you can enjoy your takeout, dine-in or catering. This is my phone number and my name is Ralphie. Again, I'm going to show you today how to do eggplant parmesan. I'll show you other things in the past like chicken parmesan and marinara sauce and all that good stuff. Today we're going to do the eggplant. These are some of the ingredients that I want you to get ready. Starting with a little parmesan, little parsley, little garlic, little black pepper and salt. I prefer not to put salt because you really don't need it with the eggplant, but you could put a little salt in if you want. We need some eggs, and the eggs will be, this is ready for me because I do big pots. For the people at home, you could use a couple eggs at a time. And we start doing this, 3 eggs. You mix them up a little bit, just like you do scrambled eggs. And you could put a little bit of cheese, a little parsley, just a pinch. I mean, you know, common sense will tell you how much to put in. You can't put too much of garlic because then it'll be too tasty. A little bit of black pepper. I say a little bit because black pepper tends to make the eggs look black. You don't want that. And then after you mix everything up, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so we get the slice of eggplant, put it into the flour, and get the excessive flour off. You don't want too much flour. Okay? And you put it in the egg. Making sure that the eggplant gets all the egg all the way around. And let me tell you, the eggplant are almost ready. A few more minutes, we're going to cook it. It'll be great. Now here I have one for me, for mine, because I'm going to do a bunch of it today. And this is for the people at home, little bitty pot. You could put some fry oil. Olive oil is not suggested because with the high temperature, olive oil will lose the strength. So you could just do regular fry oil, whatever you prefer. Me, I don't have a preference. Okay, and then very careful, you could use a fork or you could use one of these. Okay, you pick it up and then you dip it inside the oil very slowly, don't let it drop off on you. Okay, so we let it cook a few minutes on one side. All depends on how hot the oil is. If the oil is really hot, it'll take a few seconds, but let it cook nicely, maybe a minute or two, and then you turn it upside down and it's still white, so we still got to wait a little longer. And eggplant is a beautiful, beautiful plate. Parmigiana, it's one of the main dishes in the southern part of Italy, Naples. And we perfected from Naples just how we do it, because we do it with the heart. We have a lot of passion on cooking. And yes, it's eggplant Parmesan is great, yes. So you let it cook a couple minutes on one side, you look around. If you don't think it's good enough, you let it cook another few seconds. And then you turn it upside down and you're going to have a nice eggplant. Good for your diet, maybe, I don't know. I love eggplant. Now when the eggplant is done, you need to let the oil, excess oil come out. Either way, you could use something like this, or I use paper. Brown paper will soak the oil really good, because you don't want all the oil in the eggplant. You won't taste as good. See, it's changing color. And this is the color the eggplant should be like. Nice and brown, nice and goldy. And so what you do, you get them out very slowly. I'll do 2 at a time. You can only do 1 at a time. Okay, let it drop off the oil. Suona vita mia, dimmi per quale via da giovane incontrare sta casa aspetta te, torna cashmani te vede, ma torna, 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 casi ci torna. sulla barbecue. This is how I do it. See, I get a bunch of them at a time, and that's it. Okay, now let's go to the part where we make the Parmesan. Okay, so we got some eggplant here. Parmigiana, melanzana parmigiana. Okay, you have a dish here. We put some sauce on the bottom of it. This is not the marinara sauce, this is tomato sauce, like spaghetti sauce. You put one layer of eggplant on the bottom, with the more sauce on top. Not too much, don't go crazy. Little Parmesan, little mozzarella, and a little hex of Parmesan. That's why it's called Parmesan. Actually, I remember my grandma many years ago, as I was growing up, she wouldn't even put mozzarella in it, she would only put Parmesan in it. And then you go crisscross on the eggplant. Put a little more sauce on top, cover it up. And I would say, put a little more Parmesan on top, a little mozzarella. What I would do on this, I would 400 degrees oven until the cheese melts on top and it gets a little brown spots. And I'm telling you, this is delicious. Okay, let me put it in the oven, I'll get back to you in a minute. Telling you, there's a little brown spots on top of the cheese. It's telling me I'm ready, baby. Ah, più belle tutte bella, non è mai più belle te. Oi vita mia, oi cuore, e chi stu cuore si stato prima amore. This is Ralphie. I got your eggplant going. Thank you very much. If you need any help, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be there for you. Ciao.